I managed to make it. I was a little bit late and I also forgot my scarf at home in England, and I was able to buy a scarf for just £1.25, a really nice one, in a shop close to my hotel. So that was a snappy decision. I was so late and really needed it. So these are lots of people waiting to start the tour. These are the people that organize it with the little flags. So first stop is going to be the Blue Mosque. Apparently it's open just in the morning, that's why we're going there first.
Sıra buradan başlıyor. Buradan gidiyor.
This is the line to get to the Blue Mosque. As you can see, there are so many people. The queue goes relatively quickly though, so it's not too bad. This is a bit different because it's a square, so I needed to do it this way, which is a bit different from the usual way. It's okay though, it's good enough.
Inside cabin. Red carpet shoes off.
It could be madrasa like Islamic school, it could be fountain, mosque, or everything. But when we look, and most of something, they just participate in the war, but Sultan Ahmed never be participate in the war. Please look the second floor, you can see the gallery. we know it's just given by the Septimus Severus first.
I lost my guides, but you can't blame me. This place is so beautiful. I got lost in taking pictures and videos. It's too beautiful.
But first, one of the founders, his name is Alban. He's just right there with the name in there.
Was actually worth doing, if not just to be able to skip the queues where possible. That was really valuable. despite everything and all the tourists, you can actually find a decent spots to take pictures of the mosques.